Hey, what's up everybody? It's Rich at RMAutodiag here. Just got a quick little one here on a boost issue on a 2008 Ford Focus with the 2.5 Volvo engine in it. Okay, so we'll start off and we will just go straight into the engine here on this one. And into the codes, see what we got. The customer said that there's no boost whatsoever, absolutely flat. So I have had a look at the codes beforehand, but we should have some boost pressure codes. Focus. So yeah, we got the P0238 and 236, which is boost pressure performance and circuit high. So that gives us a couple of things to go off. So first thing we're going to do, come out of there and we'll have a look at a bit of live data. Focus is awful. Okay, a few options here. Let's try general, see what we find. Let's have a look. Where's our boost pressure? Gotta be here somewhere. Last one right at the bottom there. Okay, so we got it at the bottom here, boost pressure in kPa 255. Now the car isn't running, so that sounds like a load of rubbish straight away. So maybe with a start that might change. Let's have a look. Okay, sorry about that. The car is running now and we are still at 255 kPa, which is a load of rubbish. So we'll get down and find this boost pressure sensor and see what's going on. Okay, we're under the bonnet now. We've got the boost pressure up here. I've just got it on a single PID so we can see what's going on. And down here we've taken out the headlight just to get a bit of access, and we have a boost pressure sensor just down here. And I think we know what's wrong with it already. What I'll do is I'll just have a bit of a play with the wires around here, just on a visual inspection. So sorry about the glare. Just when we're playing with it there, we can see the pressure readings change. There we go again. So I think we have an issue down here with a connection or a broken wire. So we'll just have a quick look round. And I did get a wiring diagram up. And on focus. There we go. Right, so that's our boost pressure sensor with a temperature sensor in it. So we got terminal 1 should have a feed, terminal 3 should be earth, terminal 2 should be temperature sensor, and terminal 4 should be the signal back to our ECU for whatever the boost pressure is. Right, I'll just get a few things set up and we'll have a look and see what's going on. Okay, we've got a meter set up and we're going to have a look for these 5-volt feeds and earths and stuff. So we're going to go in on number 3. Get a good connection there. Which we've got a 5-volt feed on, so we're happy with that. Number 2, which is supposed to be our temperature sensor, 2.5 volts. Doesn't sound too bad. That's probably intact. It's not showing open circuit 5 volts. And number 1, basically nothing out. We'll swap our meter over onto the positive side of the battery. And we've got 12 volts, so that's good earth. And our last one should be our signal back. 1.9 volts there, which sounds like a sensible reading. but obviously we're getting open circuit data here, so it's showing flat out boost at 255 kPa. If we notice, I don't know if you can see it on the camera just here, got a bit of a nick in the wire. I think that's where we've got some corrosion in there, making it go open circuit. So what I'm going to do is, if we just carefully pierce the wire just above that break, see if we've got any voltage there. We've got 1.9 at the moment, and it is reading on the camera. Let's see if I can see with that movement there, if you can just about see it on there, we've dropped right out, moving about with the when I'm moving the wire. So we'll get this plug off and we'll get this wire repaired and hopefully that should be it. Okay, I just pulled the plug out and surprise surprise, we completely snapped off. I don't know why that's like that. Didn't seem to be on any sort of breakage point. Maybe someone's probed into the wire at some point in its life, but yeah, we'll get it repaired. Okay, we've got it all repaired, got the loom back together, everything connected up. We'll go for the moment of truth. We've got a half sensible reading here now, and it's going. Let's start it up. Oh, it changes as well. Let's see if I can get that on. We'll give it a rev. Pops and bangs and everything. Well, apart from the camera doesn't focus, you can see that that's working all fine there now. So I'm pretty happy with that. We'll get it out for a test drive and make sure everything's back to what it should be. Give the codes a clear and that should be it. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Hopefully this was vaguely informative for everyone. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.